What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've recorded. I haven't really been wanting to do anything lately, but we gotta get back on the grind. I know I say that way too much, but I really want to start pumping out more videos, but it's been kind of hard lately because with the whole paint job, engine that we haven't started building yet. I have some taillights I got for the car. I got what we're gonna do today. Bumper, which I'm not gonna do, so I'm gonna send that into the paint guy that I have. And yeah, that's a lot of content that I lost because I'm not doing it, but fuck it, you know. We're gonna do a lot more productive stuff. Like I want to record more car shows, car meets, cruises, stuff like that. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments and we'll for sure hop on it, because I feel like my channel is low-key dying. But fuck it, we're gonna continue what we got now. But today we are gonna take this bumper off because I don't like those gaps, and like I said, I'm gonna send this into my paint guy, which is gonna fix that and the grill since it pops up. But we also have this, which is the amazing MPC lowering forks, made in the USA, of course. We have little koozie, air freshener, and then my receipt and stuff. I also got the hardware for it because I don't want to put that crusty hardware. I have my tools, my jack, ready to go. So let's get to it. Let's hopefully it'll be lowered to the standard that I want. If you guys remember, when we would air out, it would finish like right about here, and hopefully with the lowering forks we'll be right on top of the wheel. So let's get to it, and hopefully it fits my standard. If not, we're gonna have to figure out something else. But let's get to it, guys. Alright, so to take this fork off, we need a 14, 17 millimeter ratchet or socket for this bolt, and then a ratchet or socket over here, and then just like that it'll come out. And yeah, so let's get it off and put the new one on. And just like that, we got the first one out. We got the 17 and the 14. And also, since I did end up getting the hardware for this one, we are going to use different sockets or adapters for it. Let me just find the... So it's these two right here that I have. The top bolt is going to be a 6 Allen head, and the bottom one is going to be a number 10 Allen head. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, just like that, we have the bottom bolt on. This bolt right here on this side is a 17, so that made it super easy. And then we have the other bolt right here. It came with its own little cover, which is awesome. MPC on this side, we're good to go. So we are ready to drop it. So let's get to the other side. Well, before we drop it, we're gonna do the other side off camera because I don't have much time. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then once I finish with the other side, we'll drop it and then we'll see where it sits. All right guys, out with the old and in with the new. Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm tired though, not gonna lie to you guys. Now all I gotta do is put that wheel on, and then it's moment of truth, man. Is it gonna be where I want it to be, or do we have to modify more stuff? So let's get to it. All right, so I am gonna keep that because you never know when you're gonna need it, but let's set you guys up and see how far it goes down. Holy shit guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is fucking lower. Look at that. We do need to roll the fender because it is hitting, but I'm pretty sure once we roll the fender it will go down further down, but that would be for another video because right now, like I said, I ran out of time. Oh yeah, we need to roll those fenders for sure, but it is a lot lower. It isn't poking out as much as it used to, so pretty happy about that. But we need to roll those fenders ASAP. I'll probably roll the fenders once we start building the engine because I have all my parts. I'm just waiting on my friend that's gonna help me build it. Hit me up so we can set up a date. But I'm happy with that. I mean, he has the fender roller, and once that happens, he'll be even better. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next one.